In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time frame in Tradingview, and I'm going to show you like a couple of ways, like 2 ways to do this. So the first method is just to go to the top and then click on this arrow. Then here's it, you can easily select the one that you want. Assuming I want to select the 2 hours, then as you can see, that's automatically changed the 2 hours. But if you want them to be shown on your screen, you can easily just star any of the one that you want it to be shown. Another method is type the number that you want the time frame to be shown. Assuming I want to see the 15 minutes time frame, then I will just type 15, then press enter. As you can see, it will automatically take me to 15, and that's like another shortcut to show it. Assuming it is 30 minutes, then click on it. If it is 1 hour, you have to press 1 and H, which will automatically. If it is 4 hour, 4 and H. And if it is 1 day, 1 and D. So that's how, like, the shortcut to do it. And if this video was helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.